Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will teach you that how you can make this beautiful rocket animated diagram in PowerPoint. So let's start it. First of all, go to the shapes and the shape select circle, then draw the circle. Its height and width is 14 centimeter height and 14 centimeter its width. Then take a copy from this circle and draw. This time the circle size is 7.5 centimeter width and 7.5 centimeter height. Then select both the circle, go to shape and make it subtract, so a donut is formed with you. Then after that, just take a rectangle and draw the rectangles that it will pass from one end of the circle to the another end of the circle. Then I will change the color into white and I will take a copy from it, and then I will go to the shapes. In the shapes I will change the rotation to 45 degree, so it will rotate 45 degree. Then I will take another copy from it and I will again rotate it furthermore 45 degree, so 45 plus 45 is 90, and the fourth rectangles I will draw it minus 45 degree. Then I will select all the rectangles and go to the align shapes. In the align shapes I will select middle align and center align, and after that I will select the circle as well as the rectangle and make it align again. So that's how it is made. Then I will go to the shapes, and the shapes I will select subtract. After subtracting into the equal parts, I will delete the extra segment, so it will make a nice horseshoe diagram. So I will just change the color of each segment one by one. So I have the color palette. I will just select each part of the circle and I will change its color. Now I will draw the rocket. So for the rocket I will go to the shapes and draw the circle, and this time I will not draw the circle but I will draw a oval shape. So for this I will just adjust its height as well as its width. After adjusting its size, I will just go to the shapes again and I will draw a circle. Now this time I am drawing the circle so that I can make the wings of the rocket. So I will just make the wings of the rocket. So for this I will take extra circle. So for this I will take extra circle and rectangle. So I will adjust the circle and rectangles in such a way that a wing of a rocket can be made. In this part I will just keep the red part of the circle, while I will subtract those parts that come under the rectangle and the blue circle. So I will adjust in such a way that a beautiful wing is being made. So I think that's look fine here. Then I will select the red circle, the rectangle and the blue circle, and then go to the shapes and subtract it. Now you look at how a beautiful wing is made. Then I will take a copy from it. Then I will go to rotate and make it horizontal flip. That's it. Then I will send it to bake. After that I will cut the bottom of the rocket. So I will take a rectangle and just draw it here. Then I will subtract the rectangle set from the bottom of the rocket, so it is made. Now I will add the bottom where the fire is exhausted from the rocket, hot gases, etc. So I will just change its color to black. After that I will just select the upper part of the rocket and I will divide then I will subtract the half part of the rocket from it. So for this I will just take the rectangle and draw it the half side of the rectangle. Then I will take the rectangle in the oval and adjust its size and make it align so that it is perfectly cut half of its size. Then I will select both and will remove the outline. After that I will take the other half part of the rectangle and change its color up to off-white. It is white background and white color of the rocket, so it is not looking clearly. So for this I will change the background color into sky blue color, something like this. After that I will make a glass on the upper part of the rectangle and change its color into white and its width to black. Let's look more beautiful. Now after that we are missing the upper part of the rectangle, that is the nook of the rectangle. So I will take the rectangle from the shapes so that I will just cut the bottom part and will remain the lower part. So I will select both and go to the subtract. That's it. Now I will take a copy from it so we can get both sides of the rocket. That's it. I will change the color into red and brown. After that I will place it at the top of the rocket. So our rocket is completed. Now I will select the all parts of the rocket and then I will make it a group. So I will make a right click on it and I will select group. That's it. So 80% of our work is completed. Now I will add text in each segment. So just write some text according to your requirements. So I will just write random text here. Then I will make the process a little bit more speedy, so it will save your time. Now we will come to the fire portion that is burning at the bottom of the rocket. So I will just download the GIF file from internet. As you see it, as I already downloaded it, so I will paste it here. As the fire is little bit narrow, so I will take a copy from the GIF file and make a double fire from the bottom of the rocket. Then after that I will select both the fire and the rocket and make it group by pressing Ctrl G. Now it's time for animation. So for animation I will select animation and then I will go to the line animation. So that is the auto animation, but I don't like auto animation. I will customize it. So for this I will select that the animation should start from bottom to up. But as you see that that the green point is the starting point and the red point is the stopping point. So I will adjust it according to myself. Now I will select the remaining segments. Then I will go to the animations again and will add some animation. I will select float and animation. After that I will adjust the animation that either it should start on the click or after previous. So here I will select it will start after previous. Now you can see it how beautiful it look like. That the rocket comes, then the one part is appear, then another part, and so on. You can change the animation according to yourself. So you can change that, select all the animation, and this animation should start on the click. So the rocket comes, when I select, one part is appear, the other parts will not appear until and unless I click another click. When I click again, so the other parts will appear. So that's how you can make a very beautiful and interesting diagrams and infographics for your presentation. As the background is little bit empty, so I will add cloud in it also. You can edit, change and colorize the segment according to yourself. You can change the text in it. You can get this template easily from the link that is given in the description. So if you need this template, just go to the description, select on the link and get it from there. Your one like, your one subscribe and your one shares make me motivated so that I will come with new ideas and with new amazing animated diagrams for you. If you need a custom work, you can freely contact me. That is the link given in the description. Thank you very much for watching the videos and subscribing the channels. Thank you very much.